Introduce me, Octa Rama Dewi, NPM 244111078, from Class MNJ24A. Evolution of Management Theory. 1. Scientific Management Stream. Scientific management theory itself was developed thanks to the need to increase productivity. Some variables in scientific management can be identified as follows. A. Increased company productivity. B. Utilization of labor and its requirements. C. Improve employee welfare. D. A good environment to increase work productivity. Figures who have contributed to scientific management include the following. A. Robert Owen, 1771–1858. B. Charles Babbage, 1792–1871. C. Frederick Wilson Taylor, 1856–1915. D. Frank B. Gilberth, 1968–1924, Dan Lillian M. Gilberth, 1878–1972. 2. Classic Management Stream. A. Henry Fayol, 1841–1925. Fayol mentioned that the various activities carried out by management in an industrial company can be grouped into the following tasks. 1. Technical. 2. Commercial. 3. Finance. 4. Company security. 5. Accounting. 6. Managerial duties. B. Mary Parker Follett, 1868–1933. According to him, an organization is a community where managers and employees work in harmony without the dominance of one party over the other, and can resolve various differences and conflicts that arise through discussion. Follett thinks that managers are in charge of helping employees to work together to achieve a variety of integrated interests. C. Chester I. Barnard, 1886–1961. According to Chester, an organization is a system of activities that are directed towards a goal. Chester stated that management has two main functions, namely formulating goals and providing the various resources needed to achieve them. 3. Human relationship flow. Further developments in management began in the 1930s and have been popular since the 1950s, that is, in the form of management that cares for its employees. This view arises from the various weaknesses of classic management that are task-oriented and cause stress as well as slowdowns and decreased productivity due to monotonous work. A. Studi Hawthorne. B. Contributions and limitations of human relationship flow. 4. Modern management stream. Basically, modern management is built on two main concepts, namely organizational behavior theory and quantitative management. A. Behavioral theory. The view in this theory is characterized by two groups of behaviors, namely individual behavior and intergroup social behavior. This view was later developed by 1. Douglas McGregor through his X and Y theory. 2. Abraham Maslow through his hierarchy of needs theory. 3. Frederick Herzberg through his two-factor theory. 4. Robert Blake and Jane Mouton with managerial conditions that explain leadership styles. 5. Chris Argyris who sees organizations as a social system or a system of intercultural relationships. 6. Edgar Schein who researches group dynamics in organizations. 7. Rensis Likert who researched for management systems. 8. Fred Fiedler with a contingency approach to leadership studies. B. Quantitative theory, management science. In the process of solving problems, the main problems need to be identified by scientific and operational research, as well as other scientific techniques such as program planning, capital budgeting, human resource development, and so on. This approach is called the science management approach, which is an approach with the following procedures. 1. Problem formulation. 2. Preparation of mathematical models. 3. Model solutions. 4. Model analysis and model results. 5. Outcome monitoring. 6. Implementation of activities.